What's good, YouTube? Welcome to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and the newest meme coins, degen plays in the crypto space. My name is Joven. We've been going through as many projects as we can on this channel. Any projects that you guys are interested in me checking out, be sure to leave them down in the comment section below. Before we get into the video though, I just gotta let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest into any project, especially when it comes to the meme coin degen space and the crypto space in general. Could be a top 100 project. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, and always do your due diligence on any project. As you guys can see, I have DEX tools pulled up. This is going to be the routine to check out the hot pairs on DEX tools, Ethereum, ERC20. Number one, we got Bo. Number two, GenBlok. That's the project that we're going to be checking out today. Tama, Luna, Sect, Hex, Mon, WCI, Car, GLDN. Number two, GenBlok. Let's see what we got for this one, y'all. First time checking out this chart, man. Crazy. I saw a lot of people, like I said, most of my information I see is from crypto Twitter. When you see a lot of people talking about a project on Twitter, you know what I'm saying, it piques your interest. This is why communities, it's great for you to get, if you're in a project, to spread the message on Twitter or any social media platform, because you never know who's watching, you know what I'm saying, and it piques their interest to check out the project. And once the community is spreading the word like that, you'd have more chances of success for the project that you're invested in. Already from what I'm seeing from this chart, this went crazy, man. How much? 25x, okay, a 25x. That is great. I would love a 25x right now. But yeah, it's chilling. It's chilling right now. You can see like it was just chilling sideways for a bit, got more tension, sideways again, accumulating, and it just popped off one more time, man. Great chart from my opinion, you know what I'm saying. 266k in liquidity, 353k in 24-hour daily trading volume. That's not bad. 1.6k holders, that's pretty good. And 3.58 million market cap, so it definitely has a lot more upside. You could definitely get some more exits from here. If it goes to 10 mil market cap, that's like what, from, let me round it off at 4 mil, 4.8, 2.2x from here at 10 mil market cap. That's pretty good, you know what I'm saying. I know people say don't jeep for a 2x, but you know, you get your initial out and then you could leave in a moon bag, because you just never know with these projects. High risk, high reward. But a project like this, with the amount of Twitter attention that I'm seeing, all the social engagement, could hit 50, could hit 100 million. And that's a lot more upside, man. That's a whole lot of upside. Okay, so I see what GenBlok is trying to accomplish here. They have like their own social media platform that they're building. Okay, yo, decentralized social media. You see how they be censoring everyone on Twitter and YouTube and all these other platforms? That social media, a decentralized social platform, is a great idea. I like this. We got people I can follow on this side. Hot topics, meme coin, proof of meme right here. DeFi #1, nice. Messages, trending. Oh, this is pretty interesting, guys. I'm actually really impressed by this, guys, and the interface is very smooth. I have no post yet. Let me make a post. How about GenBlok to the moon? How about that for everybody in the GenBlok army, the GenBlok community? Yeah, but that's very cool, guys. I like that a lot. Next, we're gonna check out, let's see, let's go to the token sniffer, see what token sniffer got for us. Okay, a 52 out of 100. Let's see why. Let's see the breakdown. Okay, it's because of 6% tax on the buy and sell. You know what I'm saying? Most projects have to have some way to fund their development, you know, some way to fund the project. So this is why there's normally a lot of projects in the degen space have tax on the buy and sell. Ownership not renounced, okay, understandable. And 94.2% locked in trust swap. So it's only like what, 0.8% off from the 95%. As far as the liquidity goes, this is not an issue at all. It's only like 0.8% off from it being 95%. Then it would have gotten a check mark. Tax right here, 6% on the buy and sell. Really not bad at all, guys. Let's check out what people on Twitter are saying. This is the official Twitter for GenBlok. See what they have something pinned here. Do not obey, do not turn down. Once again, I think it's sticking to the theme of decentralization. You know what I'm saying? Freedom. Oh, free choice, free speech, free belief, free interest, freedom. Yep. So many scam accounts have blue check marks these days. We are live, have saved your username for you, getting the attention of Vitalik right here. But yeah, a decentralized social media platform. Have Whale Jennings. Let's take a deep dive on social media platforms, the problems and the solution. Majority of what crypto is aiming to accomplish is to solve a lot of problems that's going on, you know, in the tech space, in the world in general. We already see how it is with social media, how a lot of accounts are getting censored. Everyone has to move to Rumble or BitChute with their content, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, this is a great idea. Decentralized social media platform from GenBlok is a great idea. Let's go through the hashtag. Let's see what we see. My man Snoop Dogg, join GenBlok if I know you want it. This might surprise a few, but it doesn't surprise me at all. This is just the beginning. 12 ETH buy. Whew. Nice. Chiro Crypto, GenBlok dip equal free. Chiro is one of the top crypto Twitter guys in the space, so him being bullish on it is a great look. When was this? 0.01. What is the chart now? Whoa, 0.039. Whoa. So if you caught it when he mentioned this tweet, you'd be up 4x from that point, because it's 0.01 he called it at. Right somewhere down here, right? You'll be up 4x, fam. You know what I'm saying? This is why you gotta pay attention to the social media as well. See what the top influencers on Twitter are talking about the project. GenBlok is looking crazy strong right now. Underrated gem, as they have built a decentralized social media platform already. No censorship, no censorship, no bots, no bias. This is only the very beginning. Join the revolution. I'm kind of upset I didn't pay attention to this tweet right here. Could have got a nice 4x. I'm kind of upset about that. Alright, and the last thing we're going to be checking out is the Telegram group. You love to see a strong community when it comes to plays like this. They're riskier plays, but once you have a strong community pushing the project, it's no telling how far the project could go. I was checking out the Twitter and I saw a bunch of likes and retweets on the hashtag GenBlok tweets, and from what I'm seeing from the Telegram, you know what I'm saying, buys coming in right here, charts, people charting. There is vibes going on in here right now. There is vibes going on in here, guys. We are trending #1, trending on Dex Tools. They were trending #1 on Dex Tools a bit ago. I guess this was just before I started recording my video, which is great to see, you know what I'm saying, because that means there's a lot of attention on the project. 10 million tonight, man, I wouldn't be shocked it does that. I'll be real with y'all, I wouldn't be shocked it gets to 10 million tonight. You can see like how the chart is holding up. They definitely have some strong holders in the project. Eric the Crypto Man, another big influencer in the space as far as crypto Twitter goes, retweeting all good GenBlok's tweets for the next hour. Yeah, man, spreading the word. The first thing that really drew me to crypto was decentralization. Decentralization is the future. The big tech oligarchs are censoring anyone with a different opinion. If you don't fit the mold of what they think is right, you know what I'm saying, the higher ups, the people at the top, all of a sudden you're censored off all of their platforms, which is just wrong. Freedom of speech is something that is very important to everyone. It doesn't matter if their opinion is different, you know what I'm saying. That's what makes us better. We have different opinions so we could find a solution and, you know, have a middle ground. So yeah, really like what Genesis Block is doing, decentralized social media platform. Let me know what y'all think of it down in the comment section. Let me know what other projects I should check out on the channel. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me know what I should also do if you guys want to, you know, make my content any better. Just leave your suggestions below. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.